Welcome to All American Trailers.
The Intrepid Model Enclosed trailer with ramp door and Vnose is a versatile and durable trailer. Perfect for all your hauling needs with a spring-assisted ramp door and extension. Loading and unloading your cargo is a breeze. The 32 inches side door provides easy access to your items, while the 6 interior height allows for ample space inside the trailer. The Vnose design not only gives the trailer a sleek look, but also improves aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The 24 inches stoneguard protects the front of the trailer from debris, while the rear stabilizer jacks ensure stability when loading and unloading. The trailer features 3/8 plywood walls and 3/4 plywood floor, providing a sturdy foundation for your cargo. 4D rings in the floor offer secure tie-down points for your items. The LED interior light illuminates the inside of the trailer, making it easy to see your belongings in any lighting conditions. All the lights on the trailer are LED, ensuring visibility and safety on the road. The 15 inches radial tires are built to last and provide a smooth ride. The trailer comes in a sleek black color and is backed by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty for added peace of mind. Dealer handling is included in the price of the trailer, making it a hassle-free purchase. Please note that all deposits on trailers are non-refundable, so be sure to make your decision carefully. Overall, the Intrepid Model Enclosed trailer with ramp door and Vnose is a reliable and well-built trailer that will meet all your hauling needs, whether you're re-transporting equipment, furniture, or vehicles. This trailer is up to the task. Rings. Thanks for watching.